Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top programming languages that are widely used in the field of AI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, understanding these languages can greatly enhance your AI development journey. So, let's not waste any time and get started. When it comes to artificial intelligence, one programming language stands out above the rest, and that's Python. Python's simplicity, readability, and a vast collection of libraries make it a favorite among AI developers. From machine learning and data analysis to natural language processing and computer vision, Python has it all covered. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn provide powerful tools for building AI models. Another language commonly used in AI is R. Known for its strong statistical capabilities, R is often preferred by researchers and data scientists working on statistical modeling, data visualization, and exploratory analysis. Its extensive package ecosystem, especially for statistics, makes it an excellent choice for those diving deep into AI research. Java might not be the first language that comes to mind when you think of AI, but it's worth mentioning. Java's robustness, scalability, and cross-platform compatibility make it suitable for developing AI applications that require high performance and complex computations. While it might not have as many AI-specific libraries as Python, Java is still utilized in areas like robotics and large-scale data processing. Now, let's talk about a rising star in the AI programming landscape, Julia. Julia is designed for high-performance numerical and scientific computing, and it's gaining traction in the AI community due to its speed and versatility. With its just-in-time, JIT, compilation, Julia can often match the speed of low-level languages while maintaining a user-friendly syntax. For AI applications that require raw power and efficiency, C++ comes into play. While it's not as beginner-friendly as some other languages, C++ offers unparalleled performance and control over hardware resources. It's commonly used in building AI applications for gaming, robotics, and real-time systems where every millisecond counts. Let's take a step back in time and talk about Lisp. Even though it's not as widely used today, Lisp has a special place in the history of AI. It was one of the earliest programming languages used for AI research and development. Its symbolic computing capabilities and flexibility made it a natural choice for early AI pioneers. And there you have it, a rundown of some of the top programming languages used in the field of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a Python enthusiast harnessing its libraries, an R aficionado working on statistical AI, or a developer diving into the efficiency of C++, each language has its own strengths to offer in the realm of AI development. Remember, the choice of programming language ultimately depends on your project's requirements and your personal preferences. Thank you for watching, and stay curious as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time.